It is early morning in Selangor, Malaysia. As a new day begins, the stone fabrication factory is already busy preparing custom sintered stone tabletops for customers. Today's project involves cutting a premium sintered stone slab measuring 2 meters long, 600 millimeters wide, and 12 millimeters thick. Every cut must be precise to ensure a perfect fit during installation. For this job, the fabricator uses a Makita 4-inch stone cutter equipped with the COOLMAN U88 ultra-thin diamond blade. A continuous water supply keeps the blade cool, reduces dust, and delivers a cleaner, smoother cutting finish. The most critical step is creating a precise 45-degree bevel cut along the edges. Once bonded together, these bevels create the appearance of a much thicker tabletop, while keeping the original 12mm stone. This technique is commonly used for premium kitchen countertops, dining tables, and luxury furniture. To achieve the best results, the operator maintains a steady cutting speed and lets the blade work naturally without applying excessive pressure. This helps minimize edge chipping and produces a clean, accurate finish, ready for polishing and installation. With skilled craftsmanship, the Makita stone cutter, and the outstanding performance of the COOLMAN U88, every cut is completed with confidence, precision, and professional quality. COOLMAN U88, precision in every cut. Trusted by stone professionals.
Choose COOLMAN.